You guys, I am so nervous right now that I'm going to see if Francisco will let me actually try to jackhammer the floor. I can hear him using the jackhammer right now on the 3rd floor and we're on the lower level. So I know he's up there doing it. So let's go look and see if maybe he'll let me try to operate this machinery. Let's go. Hi, I'm Andrea Lillienfeld, and I'm here today with Julie Jarmolowski and Francisco with VM Construction and Remodeling. And we're back today at the Optima Camelview. And before we get started, Francisco, I have to ask you, did I dress more appropriately today for the work you're gonna put me into?
Correct, yes, definitely. You are basically boots, not so good, but boots, basically, because today is basically really interesting day.
Okay.
We're gonna demo the tile using a really heavy equipment, jackhammer, and basically tile is one of the dangerous, let's say, materials to remove because it flies away. If you have a boots, which is okay, and a pants, jeans.
I decided after last week's granite thing,
Right.
a dress maybe isn't the right outfit to wear when we're coming in to do the demo.
Oh, perfect, yeah, you're dressing perfectly.
Awesome, so I'm excited. I've never used a jackhammer before. I've seen people remove the traversing tile, but that's really all it is. So can you tell us a little bit about what it is we're gonna use and why we need to use that on this flooring versus what you did with the carpet and the tile floors out there?
Correct. Yes. Well, as you can see, tile is a little different installed than a wood floor and a carpet. So carpet and a laminate floor, because it's basically just assembled together. It doesn't require any glue or any thing we call thin set, like a little. I don't know if you're sure you're familiar with construction, but tile requires a special cement. So
Okay.
that's basically to stick into the floor to come. Well, unfortunately, tile requires that material. That's why it makes it a little harder to remove by hand. So we
Okay.
have to use a special hammer. It has to be a strong hammer, jackhammer, for that reason, because it's really, really strong just to
Okay.
remove by hand. So we have to use definitely that jackhammer. And we use 35 to 40 pounds jackhammer, demolition hammer. So that's
So it's a little bit heavier than the hammer that you gave me a couple days ago.
definitely way heavier. Yeah, and well, for that part, we have to use in a proper equipment, which
Okay.
is air plugs, because it's too loud,
Okay,
and a safety glasses.
Perfect.
Then tile breaks in little pieces and flies everywhere.
okay, I'm a little nervous, but I'm excited.
Okay, perfect. Let's start. So basically, this is your air plugs.
Okay.
So these are disposable, only one-time use. These are basically like foam. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna squish a little bit, just enough
Okay.
to fit in your ear.
And then soon we're going to talk really loud because we can't hear each other.
Correct. Just put it right there. Hold it for like 2 seconds until it expands. So and that's it. So really easy.
Okay,
Okay. Now you have to use safety goggles. Safety glasses.
oh, and these are brand new too.
These are brand new, basically for you.
You can tell he's going to put me to work a lot that I'm getting my own new glasses.
Right. Okay.
Okay,
All right. Well, you ready?
I'm ready. I'm nervous, but I'm ready.
Let me show you. This is something.
My gosh, it's almost all the time. Okay.
This is a Makita brand. So basically, that on and off button is right here, and it's a handle. So this is hammer. It's not just a roll of like drill or anything like it. This is only it's like moves back into a blade. So.
Okay.
This is basically the one we use to remove the tile. So
Okay. And we've notified the neighbors and everyone we're doing it.
everybody is already notified
Okay.
for this type of work. So we have to notify the residents
Okay.
48 hours in advance.
Okay.
We do loud noise. So
Okay, so are you going to do one little thing first and then I'll do it so I can see how?
yes, correct. All right.
Okay, so this is how the expert does it. In a minute, we'll see how I do it. The apprentice will call myself.
We'll always
Where do
try
you
to
want me
find
to
the
stay?
spot. Okay, we always try to find the spot to start, let's say. In this
Okay.
case, because you don't have any floor on that side,
Uh-huh.
so it will be easier rather to start in here and the worst. So
Okay.
let's. I'm not sure.
Which side do you want me on side?
You come over here.
Okay, safety first, guys.
So, all right. So basically, always safety. The power cord has to be behind you all the time.
Okay.
So the other way, you don't accident making it because this jackhammer. But so
Okay.
this is again on. On.
I do it since you went under and I can go from the top.
Correct. So basically helping the tile break in little pieces
Okay.
will come off easy. Because if you try to do it like from underneath, try to take the whole piece out, it will be a little hard.
Okay.
So it's easy if you can just, but always.
I mean, this is hard work. You guys, I haven't even tried it yet and I can feel like my muscles are already tired.
Just try to be away from the
Okay.
okay?
And then I hold this
Correct.
here.
Yep.
Okay.
Just.
You want me to hit it like here?
Yeah.
And then I just hit this on button?
Yeah.
Where do I hit it?
Yeah, just like when you
Do you
can.
move so I don't spray you?
Yeah, not a worry, you can do, go ahead. Just right here.
Oh, yeah.
When I come.
Wow.
Will be better.
Okay, let's
Check it out from over here.
Yeah, that will be better.
Okay. Do I need to go underneath it again more, you think?
Let's keep going a little bit so you have more chance to demo it.
You
Okay.
got it.
So I have to ask. Let me do this so I can hear your answer. After doing this, it vibrates, you guys. If you've ever done a weed whacker, this is way more intense. How do you hold your fork to eat at night?
Definitely.
Like,
It's really hard.
seriously?
So, well, yep, that we do it and basically we used to now. So, yeah.
Okay.
We all
I
like
mean,
kind of shake it, but
we got half a tile done, you guys, and my hands are already shaking. So if I did this whole thing, I might have to be fed by someone else tonight.
correct.
That's amazing.
Well, I gotta go. So just keep doing it. I'll be back in like an hour. Hopefully you got done, okay?
I may need to be on payroll for this, I think. That's amazing. So how long will it take you as an expert to do, I don't know, what is this room?
Well, okay, depends on the material. Like this tile is a
Yeah.
little harder. So as you can see, we have to break it first and then
Okay.
remove the soundproofing pad. Because again, Optima requires soundproofing pad, and this is, as you can see, this right here. This they use a cork in this time. This is the cork, this is a thin set, and this is a tile. So we are basically removing 3 sections.
Okay.
So the cork is glued down into the concrete, and then they put a thin set, and it's really thick, like probably like half an inch, 3/8 thickness of the thin set, or cement, what they use to set the tile,
Okay.
and then the tile. So that's why it's a little harder. So these ones will take probably like 8 hours to remove this, and
8
the other
hours for the 2 bathrooms.
2 bathrooms, which is probably like 10 by 10. So.
Wow.
And of course, it's basically demo, clean out, because we can, for safety, we can just go over materials, you know, remove
Yeah.
it, clean, put it in buckets, throw it away, and come back.
And then you have to haul it all down in the elevator again. That's
Yeah.
one of the great things about being on a 3rd floor.
Right. Yes.
Awesome. So I can't wait to see what this looks like when it's all done. Or I should say you can't wait to see what it looks like because it's all done.
Right.
And so once we're all finished, we'll come back and show you guys again so you can really keep following along with all the different steps it takes. because there's a lot of them and it's good to understand before you get involved with any projects.